Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw on drawio. We'll begin by accessing the platform, which is super easy through any web browser. You can start a brand new diagram or pick from a wide variety of templates to kickstart your project. Remember to save your work frequently, perhaps to your preferred cloud storage like Google Drive or OneDrive, ensuring your progress is always secure and accessible. Next, let's explore the essential drawing tools. On the left-hand panel, you'll find a rich library of shapes. Simply drag and drop them onto your canvas. To adjust their size, just grab any of the corner handles and pull. Connecting your elements is straightforward using the diverse range of connector lines available, helping you visualize relationships clearly and effectively. Now, let's dive into customizing your diagram's appearance. You can easily change shape colors, adjust border styles, and modify fill patterns to match your design. Adding and formatting text, whether inside a shape or as a standalone label, is intuitive. The comprehensive format panel on the right side of your screen offers a wealth of options for detailed adjustments, giving you full creative control. Finally, let's touch on some advanced features and how to share your masterpiece. For complex diagrams, organizing elements with layers and groups keeps everything tidy. You can also enrich your content by integrating external images or adding hyperlinks. Once your diagram is perfect, export it in various formats like PNG, JPEG, or PDF, making it easy to share with colleagues or embed in presentations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.